right, y'all, we're gonna do a beautiful, wonderful, amazing breakfast using that griddle feature on the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL Grill and Griddle. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, y'all, so what are we doing here today? We are going to be making a beautiful breakfast, a couple eggs, some bacon, some toast, and we're gonna use the griddle plate for the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL Grill and Griddle. We're cooking with the top open. I love that. It is one of the best features of the new griddle that you can cook with the top open. The heat comes from the bottom. The independent grill grate is plugged in. You add the griddle plate on top of the grill plate, and there's grooves underneath, so it meshes together, levels it out, and you have a nice flat hot searing surface. There ain't much to this one. We're gonna make it nice and easy. We're gonna get it preheated, gonna cook about 400 degrees, and just make a wonderful breakfast, okay? All right, and the items you're gonna need, your grocery list, really simple. You're gonna need some eggs, you're gonna need some bacon, some bread for your toast, a little butter, a little salt, a little pepper, and I'm gonna use these little egg rings, the little silicone egg rings. So I'm gonna spray those down with a little olive oil just to keep from sticking on the inside with the eggs. You can decide if you're gonna use that or not. I just like to keep a uniform egg as we're cooking. I'm gonna do these sunny side up. If you want your eggs differently, you flip them, you can do whatever you gotta do, okay? Not gonna make this longer than it has to be. Let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, or in this case, the Ninja Foodi Griddle station. Let's get started. Come on back. All right, team, we are over on the Ninja Griddle station. So we're gonna hit start. We're gonna use the barbecue griddle, which is a total false thing to say, but we're gonna use the griddle feature. It's got 400, we're gonna do it for 30 minutes. We don't need it much more than that. It should cook relatively quickly. We're gonna do bacon first because it's gonna take the longest, and then we'll add our eggs and toast as we go. All right, it's preheating now. Okay, team, we are back. We are up to speed. We are ready to start griddling. Get a couple strips of bacon down. Hear that sizzle? Right, we'll get those cooked up, and we'll start our eggs and toast. Right, we gave the bacon a flip. I'm gonna go for a nice, not quite crispy, but completely done bacon. Let me know in the comments how you like it. Does it need to be crispy, burnt to a crisp, or can it have a little bit of a flop to it? You put it in the comments how you like your bacon. Team, our bacon is done. I'm gonna go ahead and get it off and get it into a little bit of paper towel to drain off. Now you'll see here at the corner there's a little spout. So we're gonna take this and drain off the grease into the grease catch underneath. I'm not trying to totally clean off all the grease, because right there, that's flavor. That's how we're gonna do our eggs, right? Let's get our little egg ring molds in there. Got a little olive oil we're gonna spritz around the sides. A little olive oil. All right, now what I do is I put my eggs, I crack them in a ramekin, so there's no chance of them busting. Like that. That's funny. One busted, it happens. Okay, so I want a good looking thumbnail, so we're gonna go ahead and pour another egg in there, and we'll just have that one off to the side. Gotta have it looking good for the thumbnail. All right, come on back and we'll get that toast done. All right, eggs are looking good. I'm gonna toast up some toast. Put a little butter on the other side so it toasts up real nice. Gonna add a little cracked black pepper on there, on the eggs. A little bit of kosher salt. The eggs are done. The toast is toasted up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. We'll get the bacon back on there just to warm it through real quick. We're about ready to try this breakfast. All right, team, we're done. It got us a beautiful, wonderful, dare I say, excellent breakfast. Yeah, dad jokes, you know, what can you do? You know what I like to do? I like to dip my toast into the egg, that runny egg. Get that runny egg all over my toast. So good, so good, so right. So good, so right. Listen, if you guys want to get yourself one of these new Ninja Foodi Pro Grill and Griddles, hit the link down below with the Ninja Kitchen. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you any more to use it, but it helps out the channel. Lets Ninja know I'm working for them. If you guys want to get the knives, the cutting boards, all the stuff I use in my videos, hit the links down below. There's Amazon links to anything, everything, even the cameras I use in my videos, okay? If you want to become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, click that join button down below, right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already clicked by now. Get your name at the end of videos, be forever immortalized on CJ's videos. All right, that is it for this week. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.